What is life if full of care and we don't have time to stand still? We clearly don't have time for us. But on days like this, would you really like to miss it? Isn't it amazing? A windy afternoon. Showers of rain, as you can see. I'm no more in the terrace. I'm stuck in my room and trying to enjoy it from here. And here I am back again in this amazing weather with some thoughts that crossed my mind right this afternoon, and I really couldn't wait to share it with you. Of late, it so happened that one of my neighboring sister fell sick and she works in the hospital. But all people were worried about was not exactly her health condition, but Corona dhara padeni to. Like, as if I could literally imagine Corona behind the bars. মানে বুঝতে পারছেন, ওই জেলের আসামি হয় না, কিছু একটা চুরি করেছে, কিছু একটা দোষ করেছে, অ্যান্ড তাই জন্য জেলে পড়ে দেওয়া হয়েছে, ধরা পড়ে গেছে রীতিমতো। আমরা বলি না চোর ধরা পড়েছে, ইট লিটারালি ফেল লাইক দ্যাট। করোনা ধরা পড়েনি তো। বাট হোয়াট আই ফাউন্ড ইজ nobody even inquired about what exactly had happened to her health. জ্বর হতে পারে, নর্মাল ফিভার হতে পারে, বাট সবাই এত বেশি ভয় পেয়ে গেল, এতটা প্যানিক করতে শুরু করলো যে ওর শরীর খারাপ বা একটা মানুষের শরীর খারাপ সেটার কোনো মূল্য রইল না। I literally saw people's reaction changing drastically. The way they behaved just because she was sick, and honestly, trust me, it was just minor fever. She was negative, but that comes later, although. She just had fever and people were really afraid, so much so that they literally ran away from her. They avoided the family. The repercussion of this behavior on the people who are affected, on the people who are suffering, is really bad. The fear hits hard on them who are really in need of our help. But what exactly is this fear about? Is this the fear of death? But so many people were dying even before this virus had affected. Nobody had a count then. But now, especially at this moment, I know this is pandemic and people are panicking. But is panic the option? And just not the panic, the reaction they are putting forth, is that acceptable? Now you all must have heard about this phrase that thoughts travel faster than words. And because of this, even if you are being overtly sweet for one person, somehow he has the capacity of understanding what you are feeling. If you are afraid of him or if you are panicking, then that person will have the vibration, even if you are really sweet. So we need to understand how this thought works, and thereby we need to have the power of controlling it. That is what we need to know. And during this time, it is really essential, not only for ourselves, but for everyone. We must all know that fear kills a person prior to any kind of disease. And negative thoughts are some such things that instigates this fear. Well, এতক্ষণ ধরে I had a talk about thoughts, like the negative thoughts and the positive thoughts, but how do you think you can differentiate between these two kind of thoughts? Have you ever felt this? Sometimes, after listening to certain maybe gossips or news, we feel certain anxiety working within us. যেটার জন্য মাথাটা হয়তো ভার ভার লাগে, আনচান করতে থাকে, অস্বস্তিকর লাগে, ভীষণ ভারী লাগে, অ্যান্ড উই ডোন্ট আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্য রিজন বিহাইন্ড দিস। আমরা ভাবি কী হচ্ছে, কেন এরকম লাগছে। বাট these are exactly the thoughts, the negative thoughts. কিভাবে নেগেটিভ থটসটা আসে? যখন we feed ourselves with certain kind of diets. Now you will be wondering, you must be wondering about diet আবার কি? থটের সাথে ডায়েটের কি রিলেশন? ইমোশনাল ডায়েটস, যেটা আমরা এভরিডে নিজেদেরকে ফিড করতে থাকি রোজ। কিভাবে? এই ধরুন যে জিনিসগুলো আমরা রোজ শুনছি, the things we hear, the things we see, the things we talk about, the things we discuss continuously, these are the diets that we feed ourselves with. These gets mixed within the thoughts and creates a pathetic concoction of negativity which runs throughout the system. Now, the question arises, how do we stop it? এই যে ধরুন সারাক্ষণ আমাদের যখন আমরা গসিপ করছি, বা ধরুন এই প্রেজেন্ট সিচুয়েশনে, কোভিড সিচুয়েশনে আমরা প্রচণ্ড ডিসকাশনে মেতে যাই। আমরা নিউজ পেপার পড়ছি সারাক্ষণ, নিউজ পেপারে কতজন মারা গেছে, কতজন নেগেটিভ তো ভালো নিউজ অ্যাকচুয়ালি, কতজন পজিটিভ, এইসব নিউজগুলো আমরা কন্টিনিউয়াসলি দেখে যাচ্ছি। আমি এটা বলছি না যে সচেতন হবেন না, ডেফিনেটলি প্রত্যেকটা জিনিস জানা দরকার, বাট প্রবলেমটা কি জানেন তো, আমরা না থামতে ভুলে যাই। কোনটা আমরা জাস্ট নিউজ হিসেবে নেব অ্যান্ড কোনটা উই আর গোয়িং টু লাইক ফিড আওয়ারসেলফ, যেটা আমাদের ভেতরে কাজ করতে শুরু করবে আর আমাদেরকে ডিস্টার্ব করবে, আমরা সেখানে ডিফারেন্সিয়েট করতে ভুলে যাই। উই ডোন্ট নো হাউ টু স্টপ। যার জন্য দ্য প্রবলেম ইজ এই নিউজগুলো যেটা আমরা রোজ দেখছি আর আমাদের সবার সাথে ডিসকাস করছি, আমাদের মাথার মধ্যে চলতে থাকছে, আমাদের মধ্যে একটা ভয় সৃষ্টি হচ্ছে। বাট তার বাইরে গিয়ে যেটা এই সিচুয়েশনে হয়েছে উইথ মাই neighboring sister, people started avoiding the family. The situation was really inhuman. So why not try and change the attitude for the better? Let's say we can try this at least for a week. Stop reading the newspaper or watching any kind of news or discussing any kind of pandemic situation or the condition that is going around just for a week, especially early in the morning when we wake up. As you stop reading this newspaper and watching the news channel or discussing anything about this pandemic situation, you will automatically see that you are gaining control over your mind and your thought again. Why? Because this will not affect you. You would be able to protect yourself from any kind of negative news, and this thing will not have any impact on you. And later, within few days, even if you get back to reading the news because you need to know what is happening around, you would be able to differentiate between this negative thought that I was talking about and the positivities that you already have given birth to. Why not just try it for a week? I would eagerly wait for your feedback. So do let me know. Until then, have a great day and do stand up for people. Stay safe and stay calm. Thank you. Bye-bye.